down to the right, and we do 4, ready? Back to the left. And now, we're going to cast a spell. We're going to we do that 3 times, that pattern. Ready? Sorry, I went wrong. Yeah, you did it right. You do the after we've done each way. Right, ready? From the beginning. Now, we've got a cake on the floor, we've magicked a cake. So we bend down and we pick up our cake. But you're the only one with a cake. It'll make everybody else jealous, right? So we're going to sniff the cake and we're going to do a ready? Okay, take a bite of your cake, but, right, take a bite, but it's hot. And now we're going to swallow it. But we decided we don't like this cake, so it's going to come back up again. There! Okay, so let's go. We're going to go from where we pick the cake up. Ready? Pick up the cake. Sniff it. Top. Don't like it. Tongue right out the end there. Okay, good. Right. Okay, let's see what we can remember from yesterday of Believe.
Emma will leave that tonight.
So we all sing the first verse through together. Sorry? Put one on every single test. We're ready. Should we just go straight into the tune for the moment? That's it, thank you. Ready? Right. When right. Ready? Can we first sentence?
Out to the stars, there's a burning deep inside me, and I feel a power growing in my soul. There is something I can sense deep within a dream to guide me, and I know that I am reaching for my own. I can do anything at all. I can climb the highest mountain. I can feel the ocean calling wild and free. I can be anything I want with this hope to drive me onward. If I can just believe in me.
Okay. There's one spot. I forgot where it was. It was in the verse. Can you remember? It was in the.
I can do anything.
It wasn't that. I can tell you. It was before. I'll find it in a minute. Okay, I want to do a bit of sight reading now. The ooze. Right, everybody doing the ooze. Okay. Can we all see where that line is? Okay. So straight in with the ooze. Right. Ready. So, no, sorry, it's on the second beat. Right. Ready. So. singing ooze, and everybody else singing the tune. So at the first verse, it's Lucy. Okay. Second verse, we split into the two parts. Okay, ready? Can we put the accompaniments straight into it? See what happens. Ready?
Got the intro as well.
Yeah, we'll have the intro as well. Right, ready?
When I look up to the stars, there's a burning deep inside.